everyone? We're out here on the St. Lawrence River today, practicing for stop number 2 of the 2024 BFL Northeast Division on the St. Lawrence River. Before we get into what we're doing today, let me tell you why I'm sitting in my boat talking on camera. I have a 7-year-old and a 9-year-old at home that are fascinated with YouTube. They came to me and said, "Daddy, can you do YouTube videos?" Who am I to disappoint a 7 and 9-year-old? So if you want to make Alex and Austin, also known as JoJo and SquarePants, very happy, hit that like and subscribe button. So now, what are we doing today? The BFL puts in at Messina. To get to the quality fishing, it's a 30-mile run down to Ogdensburg. I love fishing the Ogdensburg area. So my plan for today is to fish from Messina to the Iroquois Dam, see if I can find something between here and there. I'm not too hopeful, but you never know. Maybe we'll stumble on something. If I can find a school of 4, 3 to 4 pounders, I'll be happy. We were just at Oneida. That tournament got canceled because of weather. Tournament day was windy, so they canceled the tournament. But we're out here, got my YOLO Tech stuff set up, got me a video editor back home. Mason, that's you. You better do a good job. I'll see where this goes. Like I said, if you want to make SquarePants and JoJo very happy, hit like and subscribe. You're going to see everything that happens out here. Now, let's catch some fish.
Need to get bigger. That's a little better. This is a good one. spend their whole life in 2-mile-per-hour current. It's crazy. You see the size of this guy. Tank. Let's get a weight on him.
Well, just got done day one of practice up here on the St. Lawrence. It was tough. It was a tough day. It was cloudy all day. These smallmouth don't like clouds. They like it sunny. Biggest fish today was 4.9, and I didn't catch a lot of fish. I definitely have a spot where I could start the tournament and probably do pretty good at. But we're gonna poke around tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna stay up here around Messina and see if we can find anything. So until then, remember, like and subscribe to kids. Square Pants, JoJo. They like subscribers. Thanks. Here's what. Day 3 of practice out here at Messina. Yesterday wasn't good. It was windy. I stayed up here around Messina, and that went about as planned. Bunch of small fish. It was windy yesterday. It blew. So today we're gonna run down around Waddington, fish that area. I'm not gonna go to where I'm gonna start the tournament. I'm gonna leave those fish alone today. See if we could stumble on something. Talk to you in a little. First fish of the day. It's a nice one. He got it off. Little guy. Look at that.
Huh?
That's a nice one. Here's what.
Who grabbed a net? Thank you.
Don't worry, there.
Oh, these things fight like there's no tomorrow. Number 3. This guy's a little bigger. Fat. They're just freaking. They're definitely on this point. It's a pretty decent one. He'll work. Well, day 3 of practice is in the books. It is 1:30. I'm calling it a day. Today was good. I found a couple new places I never fished before. That was my plan coming out here. The one spot is definitely a spot. It's loaded with fish. I'll definitely be in play tomorrow. Gonna run to Ogdensburg first thing tomorrow morning for the tournament. Fish around down there, hopefully get a limit. Then we'll start fishing our way back to some of these places I found today. Overall, pretty good trip. Having a lot of fun, fishing a lot of new water, stuff I never fished. So we'll see. Till tomorrow.
competitors as they go out on the water, keep them safe, bring them back safe to us at the end of the day, be with them as they travel home, be with our military and our first responders so their dangerous jobs are done. We ask all these things in your loving name. Amen. The flag is right here in the Phoenix flag boat. Boat 13, thank you 13, idle on out. Boat 30, thank you 30. 444, thank you 44.
All right. There's one. We're going. It's hung up on something. Let me get this thing out of here. Man, he wasn't coming off. You still see it? There's the net. Where is it? Huh?
It's over here somewhere. It keeps coming up and going down. I guess with the current.
There it is.
It's up high enough now. Is that?
Current. Here, you work the net. I'll work the trolling motor. We'll try not to break anything. Got it? Jesus.
There she is. Now we're going to take them up. Yeah, I lost the fishing rod. Anyway, we can drop that. It's not coming on.
Give me a minute.
Alright, I think that's a second for the day. Next time I'll reel it in before.
Yeah. This net sucks. Alright. Now back to the regularly scheduled programming. Ow. What the fuck? Really? I'm gonna idle this up to where we were.
So you're going to another spot?
No, we're just gonna move up here.
Oh.
There's a lot of fish here.
I like how your boat cuts through the waves.
I love this, but it's a 2014. I have it since brand new.
Yeah.
And it's pre-Johnny Morris, so I'll never get rid of it. It's...
I mean, you might have not been the fastest boat on the river, but you...
Oh no, it's definitely not fast. I mean, you could get it up to 71, but that's about it. And you never go that fast anyway, so... Sometimes that seat's stupid, it goes down on its own. Just so you know. Hey, look at it. It popped off the rock and I got one. No. Thank you.
Yep. Right. Popped off the rock and he bit. Huh?
Yeah, Ned rig. The good thing is I don't even have to fizzle. Now I'm warming up. Look the f out. Really?
Huh? I don't know. happy I got one that I can wait. How's that?
You'll have a limit. You'll be calling by the end of the day.
Was last year here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There's a point we're gonna go to after here that's polluted with them. I stumbled on it yesterday. There is just frickin' hundreds of them. But there wasn't a lot of big ones. I had like one that was 3 pounds. I'm a very untypical person. Wait, there's a little bar down from the Airbnb I'm staying at. I've been there every night. Friendliest people. Just frickin' an awesome place. Guys were buying me drinks last night. Oh, you have a tournament tomorrow. Good luck here. It was great. The town I'm staying in only has 500 people in it. One of those little places. Your rod episode will make good YouTube video.
Oh, thank you.
Just so you know. No, YouTube allows some cursing now. They've got better. I ain't gonna feel like going to work Monday. Should bag it. I'm a cop. Yeah. Huh? Northern Berks Regional. We covered 3 municipalities. Outside Reading. I have 1 year, 9 months, and I retire. 51. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go to school for probably heavy equipment operator and push dirt around. I don't want anything that deals with people. I've had my fill of people. It went from being the best job in the world to the worst. And the only reason I'm still there is because we make a shit ton of money. You'll never hear me bitch about money. You had one following up your drop shot. Yeah. We have to do, you gotta be 50 and have 25 years of service, so. Oh, so you're getting a pension from the Air Force?
Yeah, that pays my mortgage.
I bet.
The only reason I'm staying 3 more years is because I want to pay off the house.
These are good fish here. Oh, come on. Good one.
Yeah.
That's a 3-pounder all day.
Thank you.
Got him?
Yeah. You said we don't have to visit here.
No. It's only 12 foot deep. Look at that.
Huh?
That's a nice one. Here's what. Who grabbed the net? Thank you.
Yeah. Don't worry there for a minute.
Oh, these things fight like there's no tomorrow. Number 3.